Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can reset your site settings in the Shift browser to the default settings. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, navigate to the Shift browser, and here in the Shift browser what you want to do is navigate to your site settings. You can do that, for example, by clicking into that button next to the URL address of the site here right now. Here, check or click into site settings, and that is going to redirect you to this section of your browser settings, privacy and security. So here what you want to do, guys, is click into reset permissions. For example, to reset the site settings for each of these categories, like using JavaScript, location sharing, camera, microphone, and so on and so forth. That's option number one. Option number two would be to navigate to your browser settings through that gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and choose advanced settings. Here click into privacy and security and then navigate to site settings. And from here you will see this option. So you may go through these here, for instance, and view these permissions, for example, and take them away, for instance, for the given one. And then there's also optionally option number three. You may also reset your entire browser settings, including your site settings. So to do that, click into reset settings here, and then restore settings to the default or factory settings, and confirm by clicking on into this button. And as you can see, that is going to delete the site data as well. So guys, that's the three options, actually not two, three options you have if you'd like to reset your site settings on Shift browser. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.